how to remaster photos in Picture Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up your Picture Gallery, or you can open it from the Apps screen. And here we go back to the main gallery homepage. Next, open up a picture that you would like to remaster. Then in here, tap on the More button at the top, and then tap on Details. Now at the top, there is a Remaster button, so tap on that button, Remaster, and the phone will automatically remastering the picture. Now the Remaster feature in the Gallery app is designed to automatically enhance your photos using AI. It improves the overall image quality without needing manual editing skills. Now, once it's done, you can see there is a before and after. So swipe back and forth to see the before and after remastering. You can see the picture look a lot sharper after remastering the image. It is crispier and sharper. If you're happy, you can tap on the save button, or you can choose more and then save a copy. And that's it. So here is a new copy, and here is the original copy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.